Many years ago, in our great-grandparents' time, most babies slept on beds made with hay. And when they drooled, vomited, and leaked stuff, Mom and Dad would change out the dirty straw for fresh, clean straw. Even back then, people knew what we know today. A clean sleeping space is critical for a baby's health. The only way to keep a mattress really clean is by making sure it stays dry, so it has to be waterproof. Babies have accidents daily, and if those liquids seep into the mattress, they create highly dangerous and toxic bacteria that a baby can breathe in. Manufacturers are legally allowed to sell crib mattresses that aren't waterproof, kind of like putting your own mattress in a toilet and then sleeping on it. Not a happy thought, is it? A certified organic cotton, waterproof, breathable crib mattress is the best way to ensure a baby is sleeping in a clean, safe, and ethical bed. It's an important item for your baby's nursery. Choose wisely.